Hello everyone, this is Trader Shivai. So let us see how our levels worked yesterday and then what could be the levels for today's market, right? So you see the market has opened over here between the value area high of this value area and the value area low of this value area. Now the market has traveled downside because we can see the sellers have dominated yesterday in the delta chart. Okay. Now what is happening? You see the market has taken exact support at our value area high too. Okay. There was a little buying activity. Market tries to goes up, but then again it has taken support at this level. It has again taken support third time at this level, but the sellers were relentless and then the market has entered into this value area. Okay, so once this level is broken, what could be our target? Our target should be value area high 1, right? And if it has still broken the value area high 1, what should be our target? It should be value area low, right? So the market, according to our auction market theory, the market should travel from value area high to value area low. Yes, but it has not traveled completely, but still we can see safely that it has tried to travel to value area low, right? The sellers were relentless, you can see from the delta chart, right? So this is how our levels performed yesterday. Now let us try to see what could be the levels for today. Now, if you see, I have adjusted these two levels, value area high 1 and value area high 2, which I have shown you over here. Okay. So this was our value area high 1 and value area high 2 previously. Now I am adjusting it based on these two profiles, right? So if I try to merge these two profiles, means the yesterday and day before yesterday. So let me right click and merge to the left. Now you see we have a good thick value area forming in here. So we have adjusted this value area high to this and value area high to this. So this is our value area. Okay, so now let me delete the market profile and let me show you the entire macro picture. So we have one value area over here. Second value area is this entire range. Okay, this small value area we have formed based on the previous congestion over here. I think I have explained it in the previous videos. You can watch them. Then we have this value area. Okay, sorry, this value area, and then we have this value area. So these are our value areas, and you can trade them based on auction market theory rules. So what are the auction market theory rules? So if the market is entering inside a value area, we can try for reversal trade from value area high 1 to value area low, or from value area low to value area high. And if market is traveling between two value areas, we can expect a very fast movement, in the continued direction. All right, so I hope these levels will help you today to trade market. Thank you guys, thank you so much.